These are very nice. DKNY, size 8.5 for $40. Very nice for the upcoming holidays or on date night. You know, these kind of look like Michael Kors dupes. They are $20, size 9. I don't remember this brown. It looks familiar. Is it red? I don't know. They're very interesting. These are cute. 9 West with the clear straps. They're only on sale for $7. It's a good deal. Here's more Adidas. Size 9 for $45 with the blue stripe and the pink on the back. They kind of feel like you can get some kind of height with them. Very nice. These are nice for maybe the holidays. They are 23, size 10. I like these Adidas. These are very nice. They're size 9 and they are for $40. I'm sure you pay a lot more for that. You know, I noticed that Burlington, TJ Maxx, and Ross are getting a lot more Adidas. They used to not have that. These are very sparkly. Size 10. On sale for $13. These are also very sparkly. I like these better. These are $19, also size 10. These are actually little girls, but I wanted to share them because I think they're super cute. They're Michael Kors, and they're $30. And they get zipper on the side, so you can put them on easily. Those are super cute. Here's more Michael Kors little girl shoes. How adorable are those? I love it. These are also, well, no, these are $28. Very cute. These are 9 West. Strappy heel. $21. I've noticed that Burlington, really all the stores are having a lot of clearance deals. Might want to head in. Champion for $37. How cute are these boots? I'm loving all the boots at the stores. These are made by Indigo. I love brown boots. And these are for $30. They are size 9 and they have the zipper on the side so you can easily go. I love these. These are super cute for the fall. They're size 8 for $21 and they zip on the side. They're so cute. I love them. Let me know if you like these. These are really nice Adidas. They're like plum purple and they're silver on the side. $45. Here's more Adidas right here. Ooh, I like these. These are very interesting. Size 7.5. Lucky if that's your size. That's not my size. $45. Did you get these? That's a good deal. I actually haven't seen these Guess shoes before. They're purple for $20 and size 6. How adorable are these? $15. You can go to Disney with it. So cute. These ones are very interesting. They're like an orange yellow color. $17. Would you buy that? Comment down below. think this is a very cute guest bag. It's very small, $30. If you like no branding, I feel like this one is very cute as well. 18. This is a really nice big duffel bag. Probably use it for the gym or something. It's Juicy Couture and it's $35. And yeah, this one is DKNY. It's like this pale blue. It's very cute. $40. And this one also, there's no branding. There's the like dreams in the back. On clearance for $17. Very cute as well. Here's a really nice medium-sized backpack. The other ones I've seen are typically a lot smaller than this, so I feel like you can use this maybe for school. It's $43. I just saw a black version of this. And then here's a new Steve Madden. Actually, I've seen this before. It's a Steve Madden bag, and it is for clearance for $22. It's a good deal. Very cute. Here's a Guess wallet. They actually are pretty stocked on their wallets, but this one is $20. Here's another Guess wallet. This one is $18. There's different colors too. There's this pink color. This one's also $20. And this one is like a tan brown color. $18 as well. Oh, this one's new. I haven't seen this one before. It's a pretty Guess wallet for $18. This is very cute. It's Betsy Johnson, of course. $8. I feel like this would be really cute as, you know, a preteen or a little girl. Here's a different one. This one's tie-dye blue. This one's also really cute. It's very trendy for $12. And this like lime green Steve Madden, very nice for $14.